We really want to contribute to our students' formation so that they're individuals that really are committed to solving the critical problems of this world. Hi, my name is Dr. Michelle Maldonado, and welcome to our Mechanical Engineering Lab.
My name is James Harrington. I'm from the University of Scranton. I'm a mechanical engineer. I read a little bit of Isaac Newton and this whole idea that motion has these laws. We think of motion and we see it every day in our experience, but the fact that there's rules and which it follows, I thought that was like a really philosophical idea, so I just pursued mechanical engineering as a result.
One of the things that really makes our mechanical engineering major distinctive is the space you're going to see. We have a brand new lab with top-of-the-line equipment and technology. We really pride ourselves in our educational setting. Our small class sizes allow faculty to build relationships with our students.
Whenever I have a problem, I can always just go to my professor and ask him for help. But they also balance being able to find it yourself. If it's a problem that he thinks you can solve, he's like, you should try this on your own first, and then I'll help you if you need help. It's awesome seeing how things work. You kind of just learn to appreciate everything from cars to even simple sliding doors. It's just really cool, neat seeing all the useful inventions humans have created. And as a mechanical engineer, you learn to appreciate, understand how those things work.